This is the psychopath I choose to hang out with for my birthday.
But I can do a cartwheel. I'll bust my ass. Why'd you get that big knot on your face? Wrestling? No.
Big nut or big knot?
I used to do a thing where I would shoot it and catch it in my mouth.
Lovely.
Pretty cool, yeah. I used to do it at parties. And get over the twirl. So. Yeah, don't always freak out when your children's parties and you make huge penises for animals. You know, I mean, it's not even weird, like 8% of people do it. You know, like I'm a dick devil or something.
Don't put those two words together, thank you.
Dick devil?
Yeah, don't do that.
That's an oxymoron. Dick devil. Fucking like an animal. Subliminal kind, isn't it? Yeah, but you're picky. Why do all these dudes try to fuck you?
I'm not that picky.
You are picky. Why do they try to fuck you? Why do they like even think like, oh, I saw you to show.
I'm not that picky, that's the problem. That's why I've had all these fucked up relationships. But I'm starting to be that way.
You can't turn a hoe into a housewife. I tried.
Are you calling them hoes? Are you calling them hoes?
The people you fuck with?
Yeah.
No. Baby's mama. I ain't kidding.
Cause I ain't no hoe. Thank you very much.
I ain't your hoe. Oh, you know that song?
I'm gonna put one of these right here.
You know you're not a hoe. Maybe just fuck, it's your birthday. Let's just fuck them.
Look, I'm gonna put it right here.
I'm just gonna hand out fucking vaginas to everybody.
Look, it's gonna stay right there.
Fuck them. Oh. Yeah, no humping. More pulling, less screwy. There you go. I'll do this.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
It's in Chinese. Uh-huh. That's what he did to me yesterday.
Cut his nails.
And this is how Showtime works out.
I'm gonna go to the gym.
He fights his dog off his leg.
See, you can do like lap pulls. Then you do curls. Like this. And you can do back like this. Doggy workout.
Work out with your
Tired of
dog.
blown up. I feel like I got like the fat chick with me and I'm trying to like, come on babe, let's go to the mall. She's all fat. I have to drag her.
Food! Okay.
And now she's all walking too fast on my heels.
You need to put him some sponges on his paw.
Oh, yeah.
Puppy.
I can't believe you're showing off my dirty house like this. No, I'm really not gonna get any hoes.
Mine's worse. That's what I have to do when I get back home too. Fun.
Man, screw it.
No, I'm good.
How do you get 9 million text messages?
What?
No, it's not.
What? I was about to say, goddamn. I thought I had stalkers. Or you just never delete your shit.
There's a stalker. Big fat dirty one.
On your upper lip.
I'd like to dedicate this to my homies in the G-Funk. It's gonna be like a big old Mexican, but that's all coming in here. I did it last night. Get his son. Come on. You chilling?
He's being a good boy. Huh. You being a good boy? Now you're not. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Now you're making me all smelly. You're gonna make the other dogs jealous.
Shit right here. This is Texas, motherfuckers.
No, 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 no. Sit, sit, sit. Good boy. What?
Put it in the shower. Soon there's gonna be some bestiality porn while I'm gone. Hey, let me dap it up. Dap it up. Dap it up. Dap it up. No. 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 Okay, he's all mad. There's no cracker. Look.
Oh,
No crackers. You kiss. You kiss.
no.
Oh, baby. You're a baby. You're a baby. You can't. Make her hold it. Look. Your Aunt Amber. 3D dog training. There you go.
Oh, that was covered in drool.
Another first for you.
Shut up. Ah! Girder. I'm getting my workout. Ow! Ow! Bad baby. Bad baby. You knocked down the pillow.
She's apparently an internet superstar. She's a YouTuber. That's a big country. 10 years. 10 years, my boy. Everybody out there's lots of big fucking Mexicans.
Hold on, I can make him look bigger.
Biggest Mexican you ever saw.
No, I told you the biggest Mexican I've ever seen. Big as shit.
Who?
From Desperado.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, buddy. Buddy. You funny?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. He's a baby.
Buddy.
What?
You go buddy?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Buddy. You must go buddy. Let's go. Clean up your mess. Clean up your mess. Clean up your mess.
Again?
You know I was getting too funny.
Oh, come on.